Hello ISEC in India. My name is Jaideep Thakkar. I was born on 1st October 1989 in the capital of India, New Delhi. A journey of a young individual started who wanted to learn, wanted to grow and challenge himself. Talking about my hobbies, I was a person who loved sports, wanted to become a cricketer at one moment of time, but realized that he had bigger ambitions to achieve. My ISEC experience. I was recruited in February 2009 in this lovely organization, ISEC in Jaipur, in the one of the coolest departments, that is corporate sector. From there, my ISEC experience started. I took various leadership roles in this organization, which challenged myself. The first leadership role coming out to be applying for team leader for quarter 3, quarter 4 in corporate sector and becoming it. From there, I wanted to grow and take up more leadership roles, which prompted me to apply for Vice President, Corporate Sector of ISEC in Jaipur. And I made through. I became Vice President, Corporate Sector of ISEC in Jaipur in 2010. And in these 2 years of ISEC experience in corporate sector, a department that I belong to grew from 6 exchanges in 2008 to 36 exchanges in 2009 and to 41 exchanges in 2010. With this leadership role, I took another responsibility, another leadership role that defined me much stronger and much more. That was applying for Executive Board Coordinator for National Leadership Development Seminar 2010, a conference that had the largest delegation in ISEC India conference of 600 delegates, a conference that was hosted by 2 delegations, that is 2 local chapters, ISEC in Delhi IIT and ISEC in Jaipur. It challenged and made me realize my potential to the core. It made me realize that I was meant for bigger responsibilities, for bigger organizational roles. And that's why I thought of applying for local company president of ISEC in Jaipur, and where I realized the power within for myself. A year of 2011 made my thinking go beyond my imagination. It made me realize my potential. It made me think that I can achieve whatever I wish to. In that year, we achieved enormous growth in all portfolios. We did the maximum amount of BT exchanges of 256 realizations and a highest year income of 7.2 lakhs. Our brand visibility in the city grew by almost 800%. We were more visible in the external forums. We were there in terms of our stakeholders' eyes through Ignite, which was a magazine that we launched at the starting of the year. We were present in one of the largest events that ISEC in Jaipur ever hosted, that is Changing Tomorrow, which would be continued for ISEC in Jaipur for the next 3 years. And now, talking about what next. Next come is a decision that was defined by my year 2011. It was a challenging year which made me test to the core, and I want to take that to a larger level. And the year 2012 comes out to be in that state, and that's why I am applying for member committee Vice President ISEC in India, and your portfolio Vice President Operations. Now talking about the main question for the portfolio. How should ISEC India behave to engage and develop 1 million young people in India through the ISEC experience? I think ISEC in India is evolving, and ISEC India is looking for a change. And that is, ISEC in India needs to be open with it. And ISEC in India needs to change what it had done in the previous years. We have taken a head start. We've changed the organization structures in the local chapters. We have evolved. Once we used to think only about nationally, now we're looking for regions. And we are segmenting more and more. We are breaking into more regions. And that's what we need to do. We need to break our boundaries of thinking and look forward for new innovative ways to gather and make sure we give a beautiful experience to those ISECers. And with that, I announce my candidature for member committee Vice President ISEC in India. Thank you.